financially. They will never invite you into a meeting. But the Father, today we have been out in a normal one. You can still come back to me. You can still come back to me. The Father is calling upon your name. He saying that come back to me. Usolahlekile kakhulu. Ngokuyiswa yabita namhlanje. Lithi iBhayibheli in the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17. Xa kungifundzele man of God. 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17. Oh no no baba siya.
Verse there is none.
No, verse wait man of God, can you? Yes.
2 Corinthians 5 verse 1.
Before you go there, man of God, come for the law 1 John 16. Yes, before we go there.
First John.
Yes.
First John.
No, John chapter 1 though, just what Sansa Ganga. Yes.
John 1 verse number 16.
Is it that one there? Now John chapter 3, yes.
Yes.
Now verse 16 in Mvudeli la. Ngawucela umfundzele nalo chapter 1 verse 16 wafunza oyi2 man of God.
John 1 verse 16.
Yes.
Oh God. John 1 verse number 16 uthi ngobe ekupheleleni kwakhe sonke saphiwa umusa etikwemusa. Umthetho waniketwa ngaMosi, umusa neqiniso kwavela ngaJesu Kristu.
Yes, lithi iBhayibheli lona umthetho wavela ngabani? ngaMosi. And then umusa neliqiniso kwavela ngabani? ngaJesu. Bazona na yini free understand la?
Yes Lord.
Bantu basethe standard ukuthi bantu kwamele benene baphile kanje. And that standard lithi iBhayibheli lona wavela ngabani? ngaMoses. Akade understand that everything. Kuthi umuntu kwamele olungile umuntu siyombona nga 1 2 3.
Yes.
Then we can conclude ukuthi lo muntu lo sonjani solungile.
Yeah.
And bantu basasekele noma basancikile tukanti kulo mthetho lo yonke. Kuthi nabadosi nababuka yilo umthetho is a publican, then they can conclude and judge based on the law wabhalwa ngubani? Moses. Then badosi nababheka then bathi lona ke then akakalungi because of what Moses wrote down kubemthethweni. So meaning that abantu basethe standard, but the standard nasansa sethwa ngubani? uNkulunkulu. Lithi iBhayibheli lona umthetho wawulethwa ngubani? Moses. And abantu namhlanje ukuthi sikhona kubona ukuthi ulungile noma uzoni sosebenzisa yini lo mthetho ukuthi sikhona wena ukuconclude ukuthi ulungile noma ujeyana okwalunga. Ngoba iBhayibheli lithi lona umusa neqiniso wavela ngabani? ngaJesu Kristu. Meaning that Jesus is an embodiment of the love of God personalized through what? Through man. So meaning that Jesus nakavela beka thando kodwa abantu bebangakhona wena ukuthi understand yini uthando laNkulunkulu. And then now you don't fully understand that this is Babylon. Before Jesus became flesh, he was what? He was the Word. And no man the Word wanted to die for men. Bantu bebangakhona wena to appreciate then what he did the work of Jesus because he was the Word. And then now this is Babylon. Jesus Christ who was the Word became what? Flesh. And then after this is Babylon. That love and to live and labonakala physical because nyalo luthando laNkulunkulu lahlangela kuJesu ngalojani ngalokuphelele. Meaning that nakabuthi ufuna understand uthando laNkulunkulu udon understand ngempilo yaJesu. Nakabuthi ufuna understand uthando laNkulunkulu udon understand ngalomsebenzi Jesu lawenza nakaphila kubukabeni. Meaning that Jesu ngalesikhathi ashajwa bekashajela labakhulayo kuthi ngemvimbo yakhe sebenzise baphilisiwe ngalesikhathi afaka the crown of thorns bekadinga nale nkonzo bebekosa abantu ukuthi khona ubona